Okay, there's my camera. All right, so this is a glimpse of what I've created. Oh, man, it took a lot of hours and it was not a simple task. Let's just say I was kind of pulling my hair, learning some Git. I tried to deploy on Heroku. I failed on that. It was definitely an experience for sure. It was terrible. Um, but I love you, Git. You are such a lifesaver, and now I know what people mean when you have to back to what you were working on, or else man, I just broke the whole thing. So this is the website from what I was learning, or was creating. And one of the cool things about this is like I was like really trying to expand it. As you can see, it's gonna be the same picture, because before it was like the layout was terrible. But luckily I took that bootstrap class and it was man, a lifesaver for sure as well. Like all these tools I could easily just implement now. This is just it takes you back to the home page, and this is an employee login which I created, and this is going to be a login here, and so it's going to say hello admin Scalp Trade, and and then here you can look at the careers that's going on. I had the available positions. So this is here the C++ developer and the junior trader, right? These are the two positions that are available here at Scalp Trade, which I'll show you right now. It's going to be, and I actually have to put in the LinkedIn bar or the font on that so that they could actually take it directly there, because they have one here, as you can see, and they also have a contact page, which I will create. And then, so yeah, here we go. It's the LinkedIn, and this is kind of like what they have currently. So I wanted to remodel it, and so this is some of the careers. Oh, let me go back, that they have here, and then it shows you, just basic stuff here. So, and I think they also auto-populate it based on what they're working on. Yeah, it looks like they do have it auto-populated. So here is what I have as well, and this is kind of like the layout. I was trying to put in the form here, but my other job called me in, so I have to go to work, which is just a basic regular job. So this is kind of like the layout. I kind of revamped it, or worked on it, and it auto populates here, and then just go ahead and log out, confirmation, log out. I have to put a container, so I could put a patty and put it more centered. But this is the home page, so yeah, you can just go here, and let's look at here, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. You either click on that, click on here. Let me show you the admin section. So what I've been working on. So the admin, let me go ahead and enter. So the admin here, I create these the jobs, which is going to be the class, and it actually has an inline on these. So you could go here and you can put in the technical requirements that you need based on the job. So let's go ahead and create one that's new. Let's go ahead and say, a web developer, right? And remote. And the job is just a work ethic, impeccable. I don't even know if it's not impeccable. Outstanding work ethic. And then technical requirements, HTML, CS, and CSS, Bootstrap, programming languages. We'll say, and it gives you that functionality, adding more. So we'll say Java, C++, C Sharp, Python, or equivalents. And then we would put, just what's called Django, um, React, Angular. We could also do .NET. And then the bonus qualifications, master's degree, in science majors. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and click on this, and so it saves it. So now, so when someone wants to apply for or look at a job, they could actually go ahead and go to the regular website, and let's go ahead and log out and confirm that we want to get out of here. So again, go to careers, and you'll see C++ developer junior. I could probably have to work on the spacing on that. Probably just make it a 2-column um, length, and then it could be. But here's the web developer, and then auto populates based on the role here. So yes, that's what I was able to create. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And man, it's a lot of work, a lot of headaches, a lot of learning lessons. And if you want to look at the code, I actually developed this over here on on Docker, which I will minimize. There's no way. Okay, so again, this was to create the models here. You go from the URLs, and then you create pages to kind of coordinate the um, kind of keep track of all the templates, which is pretty much the HTML pages. The media, I was going to have an ability to upload the resumes or cover letter. I didn't get to that, but here's the model, pretty much an abstract model. And then I created a form here. And then the admin is where you kind of customize how you want to display it on the admin side. And of course, you see here the sign up page is where they actually could sign up. So we could actually sign up more users. So we go ahead, and I didn't put in the functionality here because it's more of an application I was trying to create. But go ahead and put, let's create a user. And it's pretty much a user for, this test user 1. And let's put test pass 123 and oh yes, of course, at email.com. Oh, I guess it doesn't allow me to post.